Discover the best hotels, restaurants, and things with this highly curated Amsterdam travel guide. Welcome to Amsterdam, a city that seamlessly weaves a tapestry of history with the threads of modern elegance. Here, every street, every canal, every corner tells a story. A city where the past is not only remembered but vibrantly alive, walking hand in hand with cutting-edge innovation and contemporary chic. Imagine a place where architectural marvels span centuries. The iconic, narrow townhomes with their gabled facades lend to canals like watchful guardians of history, while just a stone's throw away, innovative modern designs push the boundaries of architecture and texture into the future. Amsterdam is this place that honors its heritage and simultaneously embraces the new. As you delve deeper into this enchanting city, you embark on an immersive journey through its charming streets. The aroma of fresh drip waffles fills the air, bicycles click along cobblestone lanes, and laughter spills from cozy cafe terraces. This is the vibrant cultural scene of Amsterdam. It's a city that celebrates life with an unbridled passion, reflected in its world-renowned art galleries, bustling markets, and lively festivals. Every step through Amsterdam is a step through a living museum, but one filled with the warmth of its welcoming residents. From the Jordan to the Museumplein, each neighborhood offers its own unique flavor and rhythm. Here, history is not confined to the pages of a textbook, it's painted on the grand canvases of the Rijksmuseum, echoed in the bell towers of the Westerkerk, and woven into the very fabric of the city. And as night falls, the city doesn't sleep, it merely changes its tune. The streets light up, and the canals reflect the twinkling lights like stars in a liquid sky. Music, laughter, and the clink of glasses carry on the night air, inviting all who wander to partake in the city's nocturnal melodies. Prepare to explore the hidden gems and celebrated wonders of Amsterdam.